Want to know what one of the hottest things right now is? Roller skating. Yep, you got it. The four-wheel kind. Check it out.
Freedom take a hold of me.
For decades, roller skating has provided a platform where female roller skaters of all races, sizes, and sexual orientations have challenged what athleticism, sensuality, and femininity are. And while the 1970s may be thought of as the most famous disco roller era, we're actually seeing the biggest roller skating surge right now. Roller skating is red hot and is expected to skyrocket through the next year. In fact, recent reports claim roller skate sales are up 1,000% in the last 6 months alone. And since the pandemic, there's overwhelming interest in roller skating on social media, like Instagram and TikTok, with hashtag roller skating generating over 1.8 billion mesmerizing views. You don't have to be a social media star to get in on that skating action. It's actually good exercise too. Roller skating uses 80% of your body's muscles while giving you a great cardio workout, burning 650 calories per hour.
All over the world, roller skating is en fuego, with skate sales reportedly up 1,000% since the pandemic started. Joining us from Miami, Los Angeles, and Berlin are roller skaters Coco, Dirty Debbie, and Oumi. Hey guys, welcome to the show.
Hi.
Good to see you. So Oumi, let me start with you. You've been skating for a while.
Yes.
How long does it take to get as good as you've gotten?
I took maybe 4 or 5 years till I got where I am now. But if you skate every day, maybe you're faster or slower. So everyone has their own time, I think.
Debbie, I got to ask you, why the name Dirty Debbie?
Because I played roller derby for about 9 years, and I was a heavily penalized player.
Oh, so you were checking them in the boards, huh?
Heck yeah.
So you've transitioned, though, from that to also recreational roller skating. Why do you think it's become, there's such a resurgence of women and just roller skating in general?
So what has happened since the pandemic is all of the loyal roller skaters that are rink skaters went outside. And when they went outside and started skating outside, all these people realized, oh my God, roller skating still exists. So now they're out buying skates and doing all their moves outside and inspiring an entire new generation of skaters.
Yeah, Coco, you can get a great workout, burn calories, but you can do it in a fun way. So you don't even think that you're working out, and you travel all over the place skating. Why is it such a passion for you?
I'm from Los Angeles, California originally, and I've been skating since I was 3 years old. Everybody in my family had a pair of skates, and so did I. So I was pretty much taken to the skating rink every weekend until I started to ask to go by myself. It was a big part of my culture growing up. It's still a big part of my culture. Being from Los Angeles and skating on the beach in my bikini and just being that California girl.
And Coco, I may actually get back into the game now it's becoming so popular. How about some tips that you can kind of quickly tell me that I can kind of work on?
Well, one thing that I always advocate for beginner skaters is if you can't get like an in-person instructor to like help you, definitely check out some YouTube videos. And you can also check out like a few online tutorials as well, because I personally teach online tutorials that are pre-recorded. But yeah, I just really encourage people to try and get like a good base, and at least like knowing the bases, like how to stop, how to get up, and how to like properly fall, things like that. So that's what I would encourage people to do.
And you know what? Listen, guys, it's not that expensive of a sport. The expense is getting the skates, but you can skate outside where it's free and as well as the weather is good. You're good to go. So it's something I think that we can do even during the pandemic if we can get access to outside.
Yeah, you can skate indoors, outdoors. I highly encourage people to rip up their carpets, skate on the hardwood you got hidden underneath, skate in your garage, skate in your driveway, skate wherever you can.
That's right. Well, Oumi, all the way from Berlin, Debbie in LA, and Coco in Miami, thank you guys so much for joining us today. And I'm going to get my skates back on, all right?
Come on
Thanks
down.
for having us.